You can use business relations to indicate the business relationship you have with your contacts, for example, a prospect, bank, consultant, service supplier, and so on. Using business relations on contacts is a two-step process. First, you define the business relation code. You only have to perform this step one time for each business relation. Once you have a business relation code, you can start to assign the code to contact companies. If you plan to synchronize your contacts with vendors, customers, or bank accounts in other parts of the application, you may want to set up a business relation for them. The business relation code defines a category or type of the business relationship, such as bank or law. You can have several business relation codes. To define the business relation, you use the Business Relations window. In the top right corner, choose the search icon, enter Business Relations, and then choose the related link. Choose the New action, and fill in a code and description. The code can be a maximum of 11 characters and can be any combination of numbers and letters. In order to assign business relations to a contact, it has to be a contact company and not the specific person. To do this, open the contact, choose the company action, and then the business relations action. The Contact Business Relations window opens. In the Business Relation Code field, select the business relation that you want to assign. Repeat these steps to assign as many business relations as you want. You can also assign a business relation from the contact list by following the same procedure. The number of business relations you have assigned to the contact is displayed in the Number of Business Relations field in the Segmentation section in the Contact window.